Fix Supercell ID verification code not received on Gmail. In today's video, we're going to solve the problem of not receiving your Supercell ID verification code on Gmail. So let's get you back into the game. First things first, let's make sure the email didn't end up in your spam or junk folder. Open your Gmail app to open your Gmail inbox. Now simply tap on 3 horizontal bars and scroll down until you find an option that says spam. If you find it in here, simply mark it as not spam so future emails from Supercell go straight to your inbox. Next, simply double check that you've entered the correct email address in your Supercell ID account. If the email is incorrect, you won't be able to receive the verification code. Now, sometimes the verification email takes a few minutes to arrive, so don't panic. Wait around 5 to 10 minutes and refresh your inbox. If it still hasn't arrived, then try the next step. If you haven't received the email yet, go back to the Supercell ID verification screen and simply click on Resend Code. This will send the verification email again. Another common cause could be a poor or unstable internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Simply try turning it off and on again to reset the connection. In some cases, custom filters in Gmail could be blocking emails from Supercell. To check, go to your Gmail settings. Then select Filters and Blocked Addresses. And look for any filters that could be blocking emails from Supercell. Now, if you're still not getting the code, try adding a different email address to your Supercell ID account. Sometimes Gmail might have issues with certain email providers. You can link a new email address in the Supercell ID settings and request the verification code to that new address. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps help you fix the Supercell ID verification code issue.